Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and ma'am. I'm Lutesa Monsanto. I'm 40 years old. I'm married and I'm one children. She is 18 years old and I'm living from Rosario, Cavite, and I'm graduating high school.
In case you're working in Hong Kong, who will take care of your child?
My husband and my sister-in-law will take care of my daughter.
Do you know how to take care of kids?
Yes, I know how to take care of kids.
Can you tell us how?
To prepare a food, to teach her read and read English and how to speak English, and to prepare a sleep bed and to change the clothes, and to prepare the activities in her school.
Please give a sample of nursery song.
My toes, my knees, my shoulders, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulders, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulders, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulders, my head.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to give up this future for my daughter, and I want to help my father.
Any message to your future employer?
Please select me because I'm hardworking and to prove myself, to honest, to responsible, to kind, to help your take care of your children. Thank you and God bless.